Hello dear Inklumineers, let's see what we have in this pack here. I love opening Fabled. There is always the chance for the iconic Mickey and Minnie. We already have the full puzzle, but this here is the right arm of the power line. Let's see what we have. Rapunzel. We start with 2 inkable Amber card Rapunzel Sunshine with 1 attack, 4 defense, and 1 lore. Into 2 inkable Amethyst Action Song Poor Unfortunate Souls. Into 2 inkable Ruby card Queen of Hearts Impulsive Ruler. 2 attack, 2 defense, 1 lore with Rush. Into 2 inkable Emerald card Aladdin Prince Ali. 2 attack, 2 defense, 1 lore with Ward. Into 2 inkable Steel item Beast's Mirror. Into 3 inkable Sapphire card Hans Noble Scoundrel. 3 attack, 2 defense, 2 lore. Into Donald Duck Perfect Gentleman. 4 inkable Emerald card with 2 attack, 5 defense, 2 lore, and 3 shift. Into 3 inkable Sapphire card Judy Hopps Optimistic Officer. 2 attack, 3 defense, 2 lore. Into 5 inkable Ruby card Queen of Hearts Sensing Weakness. 4 attack, 3 defense, 1 lore, shift 2. Into our first rare is 6 inkable Steel card Ariel Sonic Warrior. 3 attack, 8 defense, 2 lore, shift 4. Into 5 inkable Amethyst card The Queen Wicked and Vain. 4 attack, 5 defense, 1 lore. And let's see what our foil card is. Elsa Loves Off. 4 inkable Amethyst card, 3 attack, 4 defense, 1 lore with Challenger +3. Well, this was nice. Thank you Inklumineers for joining by. If you liked the video, give a thumbs up, subscribe with the bell for all notifications, and share the video. See you in the next one.